Tutu's rainbow fried rice.
Aloha! I am Chef Tutu Tinkerella, and today we are making rainbow fried rice because where I live, there are rainbows. For example, on Valentine's weekend, our friends went to camp on Tinker Road. No joke! And was so amazing. On the last day, we cut up all the kind leftovers, any kind leftovers, for a family style onolicious fried rice. So let's go tinker in our kitchen maker hollies and make Tutu's rainbow fried rice.
Tutu's rainbow fried rice ingredients.
Come on, let's prep. 1, 2, chop, chop, chop. 3, 4, chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Chop, chop, chop. Chop the veggies.
Tutu's rainbow fried rice instructions.
First we put sesame oil to coat our pan. Then we cook pumpkin and carrots and stir with hand. We cook local ground beef to fill our appetite. Then we twist around and mix around with all our might. Shaking our sauce to give it spice. Then we mix in our scrambled eggs and pre-cooked rice. Swing in Asian cabbage, leaves nice and diced. Now that's Tutu's rainbow fried rice. Tutu's rainbow fried rice. Chop, chop, chop. Now if we're making fried rice at home, we can totally tinker and try any kind yummy leftover veggies, meats, and rice. So fun, yeah? Catch a rainbow of hugs, woo-woo! And shaka mahalo for cooking with us.
Mahalo, Steve, Jackson, and Shelly, for trying the many fail attempts and giving feedback. Mahalo, Cousin Shelly and Auntie Laurie.